Okay, wait, this cannot be real. This looks exactly like the original Apple AirPods Pro 2. But guess what? These are not from Apple, they are from Apple Life. So if you always wanted real Apple AirPods Pro 2 but the price made your heart cry, this might be your dream come true. This is Apple Life Master Copy and trust me, it feels just like the original. The box looks premium, clean and honestly very Apple style. Inside you get the Apple AirPods Pro 2, Type-C cable, extra ear tips and a small guide, everything packed super neatly. Guys, this actually sounds too good. The bass are punchy and vocals are very clear, and it even gives that AirPods vibes. And it does not fall easily. So here is what makes Apple Life different. Their products look and feel exactly like the originals. You get a 6-month replacement warranty. That's like having a peace of mind even if you drop them or they stop working. If you want that real Apple experience without paying that crazy price, this Apple Life AirPods Pro 2 master copies are honestly worth checking out. Links in the description box. Go see for yourself. That's it for this video. Hit the subscribe button and like the video. Keep watching Wanted Tech for the crazy tech content. Till then, take care and bye-bye.